Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here to reveal the Pastel Party Design Kit from Softflex. Now, this started to be available right after they aired their reveal of their last kit, which was Supernova, and that was at the end of February. So I bought this on February 24th, but I can't show it to you until March 30th. That's when they're doing the reveal. Now, what I could show you earlier, and I did, is that these are the coordinating strands. So the name of the kit is Pastel Party. We have some hints because the wrapping is in lavender, the twine is in pink, and the bead strands are in Pastel Party Pink and Pastel Party Mint. Aren't they gorgeous? And I love these sugary pink cubes here. I love the pink one, and the green one actually, I'll tell you, green has really been growing on me. These are absolutely beautiful. I think we had these and something like these in another box, and they're just so gorgeous. They almost have like a star design to them, but they're really pretty. Anyway, those are the strands, which you buy separately, and they just went up, everything just went up a little bit in price. Those are $11.99 a strand now on the Softflex website. They probably have some as of the time I'm filming this, but I don't know. These kits sell out fast. So I suggest whenever you know a reveal date for one kit, know that that same day or evening or the next day, they will have the following month's kit available for purchase. So I usually go, once I find out whether I've won one or not, it's usually not, and then I go buy it if it looks like something I want that much. I don't always get them, but I've been getting them pretty much lately. I did two last month because they had a special one. So this one's called Pastel Party, and I am revealing it because by the time you see this, it will be March 30th, and I'm going to put it up right after Softflex does their reveal. And you can save your tissue paper. Ooh, we have something special in this one. Let's see it. And I have some stuff like this. Oh, it's a new kind of... all right, we'll get to that in a minute. All right, so here we have... This looks like leather or wood. Let me see what it looks like. Well, let's just pull... Oh, we have flowers. There's a little list here that tells us what's included. All the kits usually come, in Softflex kits, come with 10-foot roll of some kind of their beading wire. And this one is fluorite green. It's a pale green, which matches the, go good with the mint green and some of the other beads I see in here. And then also we have some earring findings, a lobster claw, and some jump rings. And we always get Softflex crimp tubes, and you get 18 to 20. Usually about 20, but could be plus or minus 1 or 2. All right, and they're sterling silver crimp tubes. The ear wires and the clasp are plated, and this is called a Vintaj wooden pendant. So let me see. I didn't know Vintaj did wood. Oh, look at that. And then we got Vintaj Opalite Ultimate Paint. So we can paint the pendant. And it's in a very pretty pastel. Oh, it's called Opalite, but it's like a pale purple. Vintaj had some other paint. It wasn't called Ultimate Paint. Don't remember what it's called, but I have it here somewhere. I got it for painting on metal. So that's something I can get messy with and have some fun, right? And then the strands we got are 5mm robin egg blue fire polished check glass. Looks to be about 20 or 25 beads on there. It's coming across very tealish color, but that's more appropriate color there. Hang on. I'll turn this back on. There we go. That's still coming across more teal. It's a paler color than what's showing on my camera. Pale like that. even though that was blurred. That looks better. There we go. So that's fire polished, and then light pink rainbow is this one. Very light pink. It's more like a, yeah, very pale pink, almost like an AB. Light pink rainbow. It is a kind of an AB fire polish check. I don't know if you can see it, but there are sort of different colors coming off of that. Well, it's really hard to show that on camera against a light background too. And then these are 6mm. Those are supposed to both be 5. I think this is 4 or 5. I don't know. And this is 6mm Tanzanite matte check glass faceted rounds. And that color is coming through about true to what it is. And it also has sparkle. And I don't know how many are on that. Probably about the same. Roughly about 20, 25, something like that. And then green turquoise travertine hibiscus flowers. These are adorable. And I'd say they're about 8mm. I don't have my little jewelry measuring thing here at this desk, but my ruler's dirty. Yeah, they're about 10mm, something 8 to 10, something like that. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those. So that's a good amount. Then we have this Jessie James bead mix called Pastel Party. It's a design elements mix. And I've been seeing that some of the ambassadors have been showing these hollowed out floral cage beads. And there's some in here. Okay, everyone. This is the Pastel Party Design Elements mix in the Softflex Pastel Party Mystery Design Kit. The first two things we have are these light blue ceramic, I'll call them rondelles. They almost look like a vase or a pot. They have a pretty wide hole on them, so they would work with cording of some sort, leather or suede or nylon, whatever kind of cording, or even just chain or something. Really nice. And then these beauties here, aren't they beautiful? They're like the ones on the green strand here, only they're in light pink, and so they'll go beautifully with that strand. I don't know if you can see them. They almost have like a frosted coating on them though. Yeah, they do. And then we have also some sort of sparkly pink cubes. These are nice size. They're like a 10mm cube. Really pretty. And then these large purple faceted rounds. And I think these are glass, but they might be acrylic. These I feel are glass. They're almost like a clear pink on the outside of a white and pink bead underneath, and faceted puffy rectangles, I'll call them. And then we have some little frosted sort of pink opal color rectangles. That color gets washed out on my screen, but it's a pale pink and goes really well with, let's see, it's closest to maybe this, but they're all looking kind of washed out. Let's see if I can, that's I had it a minute, sort of like, I don't know, can't get the color right for you. It's dark here now, so it's hard. And then these I'll call pinch ovals because they're sort of like somebody squished them and pinched them when they were hot glass. Jelly beans, light purple jelly beans, that's what I'll call those. Yeah, they're really pretty. I like those a lot. And then these turquoisey blue, robin's egg blue, sort of like, where's that strand? See, this is even paler than those. They're a different color, but these are really gorgeous. That's like a turquoise to me. And then these Similar, but these are actually darker than these. Anyway, 4 of these little blue opaque faceted crystals. These feel, they're either glass or acrylic. I think they're, no, they're glass, I think. I'm not sure. But light purple. And then these are really cool. They're like half blue, half green. I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen anything like these. Are they, is there a name for these? Does anybody know? I'm not sure what these are called. They're just like two-tone frosted glass, but look at them shine. They're so different. I've never seen anything like those. They're really cool. I like different stuff. And then some frosted rounds. These are about 8 millimeter, I think, and so are those. And these are 6. And then we have these really beautiful bead caps in blue, purple, and also like a crystal AB. But when you turn these over, there's the blue one, and there's the purple one, and here's the AB one. Aren't they gorgeous? So you could either use them up like that, or you can flip them over, use them as a bead cap. However you would like. Now these are acrylic, no question. There's some little spacer, rhinestone spacers, love those. Some open weave bead caps, love those. Some very substantial, weighty, silver, I don't know what this cut is called, but faceted metal beads. The 2 cage beads, like people have been showing that are ambassadors in the last month here or so. And we got silver this month, which I'm happy about because that's my favorite. And then I think I got these once in a unicorn. I think I still have it. Unicorn Bliss bead mix, like unicorn horn bead caps. So I'm sure, and they're very lightweight though. They're thin. See? Glue it onto my finger. Ah, be dangerous. And then lastly, these little, these are lightweight, hollowed out. Oh, they have a design on them. Sort of like a diamond clear design underneath the silvery design all around the rest of it. It's hard to explain, but I don't know if you can see. There's like a clear diamond pattern. Yeah, hang on. Try it on this hand. My camera doesn't like shiny sparkly. There we go. It's hard to see the clear part I'm talking about. But that is the kit. So let's see. I'm not going to count them all for you, but that's all the pieces you get in the mix part of the kit, plus the strands, plus this wooden pendant, and a little bottle of the Ultimate Paint by Vintaj called Opalite. And I'm anxious to play with that. Some 10 feet of fluorite beading wire, which I actually think I just finished one of those, so that's good timing. Thank you, Softflex. And some findings to make things. So the only thing not here is like any head pins or eye pins or regular wire if you want that. But otherwise, there's a lot here to make with, and I can't wait to get started with it soon. All right, everyone, I hope you had a great March. I don't know if I'll have a video up right after this or a day or 2 or 3 after. And I say a day or 2 or 3 because I'm actually going to a bead show Saturday, April 2nd. I hope you have a great start to your April. Okay, bye for now.